Hi guys, welcome to Trading Factory. Our last video on Bank Nifty, we said that Bank Nifty will definitely test 34,700. It has yesterday had a very crazy fall, opened up a little bit up on the in the region of 35,480, then had a fall, drastic fall. Then we saw a little bit of consolidation and it jumped up. The reason was because of SBI pulling Bank Nifty index along with it upwards. So what now? 34,700 has been tested. What can we expect from Bank Nifty now? Well, there are a few factors which are in play this week. One is tomorrow's Fed announcement from US on the further interest rate to be pursued by them. So that is one factor. Along with that, Bank of England on Thursday and Bank of Japan on Friday are going to announce the same interest rate decision from their end. So these three events are to be kept an eye on. Uh, Speculation is that there is going to be no change. Policy is going to ease up a little bit more for one or two more quarters, neglecting the inflation that is hovering around at its peak. So we may see a bull run again, but that is pure speculation. Let's see what the price actually tells us. So we can see here, as we discussed, 34,700 was a strong support. It could not close below it, and it is trying to come up from this region. So we are actually going to see a strong support in this zone again. So if Bank Nifty comes down and enters this zone again, 34,400 or below 34,400 up to 33,700, this zone itself is a strong support zone. So we may see a drift due to volatility on the downer side, testing 33,700 or maybe 34,200, but that will eventually be a good time to enter or place your buys. So we can buy in this zone and we can expect Bank Nifty then to test at least 36,000. So that is one buy trade that we have. For sell, before these announcements are done and before we see a lot of volatility, we are going to see a sell in this region. So if Bank Nifty comes anywhere near to 35,500 or 35,700, max to max, it can go up to 36,000, but we don't think that it is going to go till there. So 35,700 in itself will act as a strong resistance point for Bank Nifty. So we might see Bank Nifty jumping to this point or opening gap up, and we should look for a sell in this region, keeping 36,000 itself as a stop loss. So this would be the selling entry point, and target would again be 34,700, 400, 200, and then 33,700. So on an immediate basis, there is no bullish sentiment as of now, but on a longer run, yes, a support has to be taken from this region. This itself is a strong support zone. So 33,700 in itself should act as a key support to Bank Nifty. It may try to test it, try to break it, but then eventually it will come back up and then it will have a major bull rally again to break 36,000 and further up. So that's the price telling us about Bank Nifty's movement that we can expect in the immediate future or maybe in the later half of this month or next month. So, selling in this region, buying in this region is what we would advise. Right now, sell is there, sell trend has formed. There is a lot of selling pressure, but then eventually it is going to take support from the below region. So, that's the thing about Bank Nifty, guys. So, trade safe, stay safe, and make a lot of money.